like that, and make a line. This is gonna be the nose, or should I say the front of the bull. Do a line here and here so you can see. Draw an eye. Maybe you can draw a line here to make sure so that it looks angry. And here's one of the horns. Comes down. Here is maybe the other side of the horn. And the ear. I mean, if you want, you can put the other eye here. Okay. Let's do the rest of the body. A curve here, and we're gonna continue that and all the way down to the feet. And just draw a line. Go up, that's one leg. Curl. That's the other leg. Wow, he's really charging. And the other leg. And of course we're missing one here, so we just add one like that. And if you want, you can make little lines here to show that the hoof. And of course, last but not least, the tail. So you want to do a tail that's like this, okay? First you do a little tail, and then in the end of the tail, make it kind of like a lot of hair coming out of it, so it feels a little bit more realistic. And done. 2 minute drawing of a cow, or bull, actually, not a cow, a bull. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, rewind and watch it if you want to see it, if you missed something. And let me know what else you want to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!